12 out of the mid now, 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 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, gonna do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
This next lot, number 287, is a Haas Vf-2Ss. You'll see a really nice clean machine. It's the year 2017. We'll hit cycle start here, let you see everything cycle through. Automatic tool changer, of course. Is lot 287 Haas Vf-2. Good luck. Hope you get a great deal.
You're at 9, you'll raise your own bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the mid, now 95. Got it. Now 10,000. 10 to the mid, now 10,000. Give me 10. Now 10,5. 10 to the mid, now 10,5. 10 to the mid, now 10, 5 to the mid, now 10,5. 10 to the mid, now 10,5. 10 to the mid, now 10,5.